CupCooler Instant keeps your drink cold to the last sip. Would you rather choose a lukewarm drink or wait hours for a cold one? Introducing the CupCooler Instant, a smart device that cools down your drink from room temperature in just a minute. The CupCooler Instant is designed with the less is more principle. Simply plug in and turn it on, let it cool down, and enjoy your drink. It is compatible with most soft drink cans and beer bottles in the market. Just put your beverage on the device and it turns it into a refreshing cold drink. It is perfect for those never-ending working sessions when you have the tendency to forget about that beverage you just took out from the fridge. And the CupCooler Instant keeps your drink cold the entire time between 0 and 5 degrees Celsius. The cup is made of highly conductive aluminum, which is resistant to chemical and physical corrosions. For the Cat C air cooling fin, we picked aerospace-grade materials with a design of microporous holes for its optimal heat dissipation to present a magnificent cooling effect. CupCooler Instant cools your life effortlessly.